Hello everyone, in this video we'll begin learning Python programming. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to get started with. And today I'll show you how to write simple code and explain its basic structure. So let's get started. In Python, to display anything on the output screen, we use the print function. Let's write our first line of code. Print double quotes hello world. When we run this code, Python shows the text hello world on the output screen. The text you want to display must be written inside quotation marks. Python will print it exactly as it is. Python reads and runs each line of code one by one. If you write multiple print statements, Python will display each one in the order you write them. Example, welcome to hello world. This is your first program. Let's learn together. In this example, Python prints each message line by line. Starting from the top, this is because Python runs your code from top to bottom. Sometimes we add comments to our code to explain what it does. Python ignores comments when running the program. To write a comment, we use the hash symbol. Example, hash, this is a comment. Print, Python is easy to learn. In this example, the first line is a comment and is ignored by Python. Only the second line is executed. So the output will be Python is easy to learn. Now let's talk about variable. Think of a variable as a box where you can store information. For example, if you want to remember someone's name or a number, you can store it in a variable. This makes it easy to reuse or display that information later in your program. Let's see how it works in Python. Here we created a variable called name. We stored the value Python inside it. When we use the print function, Python displays the value stored in the variable along with the text. This is like labeling a box with the name and putting the word Python inside it. Whenever you want to use this information, we'll just call the variable and Python will give you what's inside the box. So if I write I'm learning name, Python combines the text with the value stored in the variable and shows I'm learning Python. Variables can store many types of information like text, numbers, or even calculations. For example, age equal to 20. Here the variable age holds a number. When you run the program, Python displays the text my age is followed by the value of the age variable. Let's quickly recap. In this video we learned how to display text on the output screen using the print function. We also learned how to write multiple lines of code, use comments and create variables to store information. Try writing these examples yourself to practice. In the next video we'll explore more Python basics. Don't forget to like and share this video. See you next time.